The RYOBI HP Brushless mixer has just been amazing. It can run all day off one charge. It doesn't bog down. You can mix bucket after bucket and it still has the same power from start to finish. The HP Brushless mud mixer is amazing. It has outstanding power. I'm able to mix pretty much anything, cement, thin set, sheetrock, mud, and have no problem with it. It just keeps going.
Predominantly what I will mix with the RYOBI mud mixer is I have a product called foam coat, and with the RYOBI mixer it's so powerful, and like you can just feel that like you are also powering the tool and being able to like navigate with it. It gives me better power, better control, and is easier on my body.
The extended runtime on it is great. We can run just about a full day off one battery. It is just amazing the amount it's able to mix on the one charge.
There is no power source where I work and where I do a lot of my mixing and things like that, so having a non-corded tool, especially in that space, is super helpful.
I don't have to fumble around trying to find an outlet. When we're doing remodels, it's really nice to be able to take it outside and use it outside without having to worry about flinging mud inside the customer's house. It is just a real great convenience having a cordless ability with that kind of power in it.
A lot of times when people think of like theater productions or theater professionals, they don't really see how it gets made, and everything has to be built essentially from scratch every time that we do a production, and we run 6 productions a year. So we're always moving, we're always going really quickly. Essentially, we are able to move faster because we use the RYOBI tools and these batteries that work in all of the tools.
The HP Brushless mud mixer is amazing. It outperforms all others I've used. Trying to use a drill with a mixer, a lot of the times sheetrock mud, it'll bog down, where the RYOBI doesn't. It just keeps going and keeps going. You can't stop that thing.